Hi, so welcome to DCA. A unique topic for you, right? You might have gone through many of the SSB videos, many of the experts of SSBs, sharing their feedback, or you can say that sharing their views, perspective, analysis, and the background of SSB. But you cannot find such things on your own on your YouTube, right? So this is all I got from the report, right? You know that these days I'm going through many of the reports submitted by the formal psychological research wing, that is DIPR. Earlier it was called PRW, right? Which is kind of, you can say, guru of SSB board. It's clearly mentioned in the mandate of this PRW, that is DIPR, that SSB board and DIPR has the relationship of guru and chela. This is actually the wordings from the report. I am not quoting it, right? It's a verbatim. This verbatim जिसको मतलब as it is मैं quote कर रहा हूँ, right? So before I start, I would like to say the theme is why SSB was introduced. For the today's discussion, I want all of you to be aware कि what is the purpose of SSB. I will not tell anything repeatedly. जो चीज YouTube पे है वो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं कुछ नया ही बताऊंगा आपको, राइट? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंस इन 5 days, आपको ये करना है वो करना, नो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वेस्ट योर टाइम, राइट? I actually went out in the background कि why SSB was introduced, why this SSB system was necessary, and why Indian Army feels that कि this present system of SSB is good enough and it's mandatory, right? So there were some committees formed that okay, we can shorten the duration, or you can say is it mandatory to conduct SSB, right? तो उसके background में मैं गया, and I have a very good report. Earlier I also quoted it, that is by the chief psychologist of DIPR, Dr. Sohan Lalji, right? So he has also quoted a manual, that is GTO manual. तो he was the chief psychologist. उन्होंने बहुत सारी बातें बताई. तो जो आपके काम की चीज है, जो शायद आपको ये समझने में फायदा करेगा कि you cannot change the person in 12 or 13 days, right? These days I see that कि many of the candidates, लोगों को लगता है कि 10-12 दिन की कोचिंग से शायद बहुत फायदा होता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग फायदा नहीं होता है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि एग्जैक्टली फायदा होता भी है. आई एम जस्ट न्यूट्रल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, राइट? व्हाट ही हैज कोटेड वो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. बिफोर गोइंग इनटू दैट, राइट, कि आप एसएसबी जब अपीयर होते हो, राइट, आपसे पूछा जाता है ना कि हैड यू अर्लियर अपीयर्ड फॉर एसएसबी, कौन सा बोर्ड, राइट? सो इससे क्या होता है कि व्हाट मिलिट्री थिंक्स अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर कैंडिडेट, राइट? आप जब एसएसबी प्रोसीजर, जो भी आपका 5 दिन का प्रोसीजर्स हैं, उससे आप गो थ्रू होते हो, तो आप मिलिट्री को आपके बारे में क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है, ये भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. अर्लियर द बैकग्राउंड, सो हाउ एग्जैक्टली इट स्टार्टेड, राइट, आफ्टर World War II, right, in London, right? So when they feel that the need for the refinement of the officers, how there should be a refined process for the officer. Reason, काफी लोग ट्रेनिंग में जाके क्विट आउट कर देते थे, राइट? Earlier we had the provincial board, then the central board for the selection of officers. So in 1942 in London, they started with the work office selection board, and they conducted 3 days, this procedure that is called SSB nowadays, the 3 days procedure conducted in London, right? And this things was implemented in Dehradun as well, that is that IMA, earlier now it was called as IMA Dehradun, right? But 1948, after we got independence, right, government of India formed a committee. आजकल यूपीएससी के लिए कमिटीज बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, बट हैड यू एवर हर्ड दैट फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ, और यू कैन से टू लुक इनटू द मैटर्स दैट वेदर एसएसबी सिस्टम started by the Britishers are good enough or not, government of India also formed a committee that was called Ghosh Committee. This is something unique I am telling you. I am sure that you don't know this name, right? The Ghosh Committee, right? To look into that, and this Ghosh Committee submitted a report that yes, this system is good, this is foolproof, with some recommendation, right? Of course कोई कमिटी आती है तो कुछ additional recommend देती है, but they clearly make it clear that कि everything whatever they are following is perfect, it's good in terms of military psychology. This word is very important, military psychology. Psychology का एक domain होता है military psychology, right? ओके, सो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हैं तो आप मिलिट्री साइकोलॉजी से मैच करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. दे मेंशन द वर्ड, एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड मेंशन किया गया, दैट इज सुटेबिलिटी ऑफ द जॉब. व्हाट आर्मी लुक्स इन एसएसबी इज सुटेबिलिटी ऑफ जॉब. आर यू फिट इनफ? आई एम नॉट सेइंग गुड इनफ. ही एक्चुअली कोटेड, आर यू फिट इनफ फॉर द जॉब. They have not mentioned this person is not good enough for the job, right? Good enough, an intelligent person can be good enough for any kind of job, but are you a good fit, right? That's why they worked upon the several traits, जिसको कि आज के डेट में आप OLQs कहते हैं. So how this OLQs were developed, how this, you know, how we came up. आज के डेट में अगर मैं किसी बच्चे से पूछूं how many OLQs, right? You can say various Insta post, Facebook post, Instagrams, and you know, YouTube channel, OLQs, right? How these OLQs were counted upon? What is the background of the evolution, right? Do you know that when this, you know, what we say, the traits were counted upon, the survey was done by the psychological research wing while talking to the senior officers above colonel ranks and the, you know, the other officers as well, apart from the psychologists, right? They just mentioned, you know, collecting all those traits, it was overall 186 traits. So जो आज की डेट में आप 15 OLQs पढ़ते हो ना, it all, the story started with 186 traits of a good soldier, or you can say officer, right? Later on some were overlapping, इसको merge किया गया, कुछ overlapping थे, that was refined as 29, right? And again further refinement by crossing that, okay, this is not a good fit. Finally we zeroed upon the 15 OLQs, that is called as the traits of a good fit for a military psychology or military, which nowadays we study as the 4 factors in which these 15 traits or 15 OLQs are merged. Anyways, not so important. Is it possible for a candidate to have all these OLQs? Absolutely no. You cannot be superhuman, you cannot be superman, right? ऐसा है नहीं कि गांधी जी के बाद आप ही आए हैं धरती पे, ऐसा नहीं है कि मार्टिन लूथर किंग एक लीडर थे और सेकंड लीडर आप हुए हैं, right? You cannot say that कि you are, you know, you have all the traits of what Manik Saji have, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, right? If you say in an interview that okay, let's suppose the question is why we should induct you, let's suppose, in case the interviewer asks you, although this is a vague question, right? And if you say that I think I am a good fit for military, perfect, good. Why you think so? Because I possess all the OLQs. This is absolutely nonsense. It cannot be possible. ये संभव नहीं है. क्या ऐसा आपने देखा है कि साइकोलॉजी में किसी के 80% मार्क्स आए हो एसएसबी में? नॉट पॉसिबल. So if it is not there, how can you say that you have all the OLQs? It's a completely absurd thing you have to say, right? You cannot be Superman, right? So आप एक आम आदमी हैं, and this is what a very famous military psychology book that written by Norman Copeland. Go through this, please go through this. Norman Copeland, Psychology and the Soldiers. This is the first book which was written by you know, in terms of US military. A very good book. He has mentioned all the traits. He actually explained traits which are confusing in nature as well, right? Confusing in nature as well. He demonstrated why. Let's suppose I talk about a religious guru, Babaji. Babaji के बहुत भक्त है. Is Babaji a leader? No. बाबाजी के भक्त इसलिए हैं because he actually, you know, gives them kind of, you can say, threat. एक डर होता है कि भगवान है, भगवान के सुमो. He is a medium, right? He is a medium. People are convinced through him by a medium. But a leader means people believe in you. People look at you and they are confident enough that whatever you think is good enough. A leader, your convincing skills not only comes through your what you talk, what you demonstrate, right? It can be by your action, by your character, and character has to be demonstrated by different actions, right? So very good points he has mentioned, Norman Copeland. You know, अगर आपको टाइम लगे, वैसे तो एसएसबी के लिए जरूरी नहीं है, this is a good read, right? Army also recommends to have some good reads. आपको पता होगा, you know, आर्मी एक्चुअली आप जब 6 years, you know, या फिर 14 years सर्विसेज होते हैं तो कुछ बुक्स आपको देते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, राइट? देयर आर सम मैनुअल्स व्हिच यू हैव टू स्टडी, उसमें इनका भी नाम है, राइट? कमिंग टू द एसएसबी कि भाई आपने जो कहा कि चलो दिस इज द बैकग्राउंड, रिपोर्ट सबमिटेड बाय घोष कमेटी एंड गवर्नमेंट से ओके लेट्स कीप इट गोइंग, दिस इज गुड इनफ, 5 years एसएसबी and we have established now DIPR which will look upon and which will act as the guru of SSB boards, right? So now what are these 3 techniques? Now let's suppose some candidate or one candidate goes to SSB, what actually that board looks upon that, what SSB board has been mandated by DIPR to look into a candidate who can be the good candidate, right? Of course the suitability of the job I am talking about. So this SSBs are conducted basically 3 techniques. फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू, यू आर अवेयर ऑफ, प्रिटी अवेयर ऑफ दिस, जीटीओ एंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट, तो इसमें मैं बहुत डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा बिकॉज यू नो दिस. Now what are the basic technique, basic of these three techniques, why these three techniques are conducted, what these three techniques tells military about you, right? आपको this is kind of personality test, right? It's not IQ test, right? The first, these three techniques gives SSB board or the Indian military to study or understand you people, मतलब you, by the three different methods, by have some, you know, the writing skills, the thinking ability, that is called IQ test. You have some IQ test, OIR, PPDT, WAT, TAT, SRT. This gives you a projection. This is whatever you write on paper is the projection of what you think. और ये think आप सोचोगे क्या? You know, whatever you think is of course influenced by your background, your surrounding, or you can say the society which you live and what actually you think, right? लोग कहते हैं ना कि पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग होनी चाहिए. पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग कैसे हर टाइम हो सकती है? इट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल. हर बच्चा, हर एस्पिरेंट कभी ना कभी डिप्रेस होगा, कभी ना कभी डिस्ट्रेस में होगा, कभी सैड होगा. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. यू कैन नॉट चेंज दैट थिंकिंग इन द 10 to 12 days, राइट? सो पॉजिटिविटी इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट, इज अ ग्रेजुअल थिंग. योर अपब्रिंगिंग, योर बैकग्राउंड, राइट? The kind of society, your friends, your peer group, your parents, everything, you know, you are influenced by each and everything, right? In fact, I should say that, you know, you are influenced by your pet as well. आपके पेट के साथ आपका कैसा रिलेशन है, शायद इससे भी इन्फ्लुएंस होता है, राइट? In fact, I read a book of military in which it said that a person who loves animal is a good human, right? उसमें लिखा था. This is also a trait. In fact, this, you know, if you go to a SSB board and you say that I'm a pet lover, let's suppose, they will definitely ask you some question related to the pets. They will try to judge your psychology. They will try to judge your character. Is it true? Is he compassionate? There is difference between compassionate and emotionally intelligent, right? Military does not need emotional people. They need emotional intelligent people. They need compassionate people, right? So ये सब डिफरेंस है, बहुत वर्ड्स के ना बहुत माइनर डिफरेंस है. सो आप जो भी लिखते हैं, दैट इज बाय द डिफरेंट टेस्ट, दैट इज वैट, टैट, आई मेंशनड इट, दैट इज ऑल प्रोजेक्टिव टेक्निक्स. दिस इज द वर्ड यूज्ड बाय the psychologist, that this mechanism is called projective techniques. On paper, the psychologist frame out your diagram. Okay, this person is this. Okay, emotionally fool, emotionally intelligent, he is brave, his decision making is quite good, this kind of things. He write down your traits on the rating scale as developed by the DIPR. The second one is by listening to conversation. तो पहला टेक्निक ये है. सेकेंड, जिसको कि हम इंटरव्यू मैकेनिज्म कहते हैं, राइट? सो इंटरव्यूअर आपसे सुनना चाहता है, right? Remember, some people say that you have to answer each and every question in interview in a perfect manner. It's not like that. It's not like that, right? Answer is not important. Delivery is important. Confidence is important. He is looking at your body language. He is also looking at what you say is really you are, right? You know, this is very prominent question going on in the different forums. That interviewer asked, so how many girlfriends do you have? And somebody says 2, 3. Is it right to say 2, 3? Is it right to say 1? Is it right to say no, I don't have? Dekho, there is no correct answer. What you do, what you feel, what you have done, and what you are in real is all demonstrated by his talking. He will try to trap you. He will try to trap you. He will try to talk to you. The conversation can be lengthy. He just want to deduce out the phenomenal from inside, right? वो आपके सारे traits निकालना चाहते हैं. उनका काम है बात करना, राइट? साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास आप वैसे भी जाओगे ना किसी भी, तो वो आपसे बात करेंगे, वो आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई दे आस्क अबाउट व्हाट योर फ्रेंड्स थिंक अबाउट यू, व्हाट योर पेरेंट्स थिंक अबाउट यू, व्हाट योर टीचर थिंक अबाउट यू. दिस इज ऑल अ लूप. एक जाल है, एक ट्रैप है, एक बड़ा सा मैक्रोकॉस्म है, एक वेब है, जिससे कि डिफरेंट पर्सोना वो कलेक्ट करेगा. ओके, एंड ही विल अगेन फ्रेम आउट कि दिस पर्सन इज, आई फील दिस वन, एंड ही विल मेक अ रिपोर्ट ऑन यू कि ये ऐसा बंदा है, राइट? The third one, now be individual. You know, when you are in interview, this is all your individual persona which is analyzed by the interviewer, or the second technique. The third one, how you perform in groups. This is actual testing on ground, because army or defense service is all about on ground in teamwork, right? ये बड़ा जरूरी है. So even in GTOs, sometimes you might have gone through the candidate who is not taking the initiative. In fact, GTO sometimes ask him to take initiatives, right? बाकी को रोक करके उसको भी कहते हैं चलो तुम बताओ, right? You can lead, right? So it's not making, you know, आप कहते हो वहां पे जाके जो भगदड़ मचाते हैं लोग, no, every time you are giving commands, this all are wrong, this all are wrong. GTU has to analyze each and every candidate, right? You cannot be superficial. आप ज्यादा दिखाओगे तो भी दिक्कत है, राइट? सो दिस टेक्निक्स आर एक्चुअली स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, बट तीनों ने अपनी रिपोर्ट बनाई. नाउ दे हैव टू सिंक, तीनों मैच करना चाहिए. इफ इट इज नॉट, देन देयर इज एन इश्यू दैट देयर इज समथिंग मिसमैच एंड दिस कैंडिडेट मे नॉट बी सुटेबल, राइट? तो इसके मार्क्स और जो साइकोलॉजी पैटर्न है, तीनों का पिक्चर मैच करना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड अ गुड फिट फॉर मिलिट्री. तो ये जो तीन तरह की टेस्टिंग है, ये इंडिपेंडेंट होती है, तीनों को आप मर्ज करके इवैल्यूएट करते हो, देन ओनली यू कैन से दैट ओके दिस कैंडिडेट इज रिकमेंडेड for the military job. That's why we use the word recommended, right? I cannot say it's qualified, it's recommended. Okay, this is good enough, or I'm not using good enough. You should say rather it is he is suitable for this post, he is suitable for the officer in Indian Armed Forces, right? So ये तीन टेक्निक्स हैं जिसमें आपको अलग अलग चीजें परफॉर्म करनी पड़ती है, और I personally feel कि you cannot change that in 10 to 12 or 15 days. So what you can do, you have to, you have to feel like you are appearing for SSBs 2 days. So आप जब आपका SSB हो तो 1-1.5 महीने से आप अपनी पॉजिटिविटी, फीलिंग्स, थॉट प्रोसेस, पेन डाउन सब करना स्टार्ट कर दो. यू कैन नॉट क्रैम द फैक्ट्स एंड गो टू द SSB, राइट? इफ आई गिव यू अ वर्ड ऑफ, लेट्स सपोज 400 वर्ड्स वैट का दे दिया, SRT रटवा दिए, पिक्चर दे दिया, राइट? आप छुपा नहीं पाओगे, आज न कल वो बाहर आएगी, राइट? So it needs some practice as well as learning what actually SSB wants. Any coaching can only give you what happens in SSB. None of the coaching can guarantee you that they will make into you SSB, right? ऐसा नहीं होता, right? So it's a gradual thing. आप इन चीजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें और अपने बारे में, बैकग्राउंड्स के बारे में आप खुद सोचो. Have a self look, introspection करो कि okay, what do you think? राइट? सो बेसिक क्वेश्चन होते हैं ना, आपसे पूछता है व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा. नोबडी कैन गिव यू टिप्स, राइट? नोबडी कैन गिव यू, इफ यू से दैट कि लेट्स रिमेंबर ऑल द 15 पॉइंट्स ऑफ OLQs, आई इंस्टॉल दैट my strength is confidence, stamina, and you all the OLQs, let's suppose 5-6 you said, you will definitely be in trap, right? Because remember, you are a human, not a superman, right? With that note, I would like to conclude this. I hope this session, this information as reported by this Dr. Sohan Lal in his book might be informational as well as helpful for you in your upcoming SSB, and for those who are appearing for NDSSB, of course from our coaching as well as others, can join us at 77-105-48960. Thank you, all the best.